subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Chinese smartphone maker Umidigi has launched its new budget smartphone globally called Umidigi Power 5 with a unique rear design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Umidigi Power 5 features a 6.53-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a triple camera setup and a rectangular module at the top left corner, including LED flash. The triple rear camera includes a 16-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view and a 5-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Umidigi Power 5 comes powered by MediaTek Helio G25 chipset, paired with 3 or 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device packs with a massive 6150 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging, and it runs on stock Android 11 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.8 by 76.9 by 9.9mm, and it weighs around 211 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Umidigi Power 5 has been priced globally for 3GB plus 64GB storage variant at $99.99, while the 4GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at $119.99. The smartphone is set to go on sale globally starting from June 16th in carbon grey, sapphire blue, and jet green color options. So what do you guys think of this Umidigi Power 5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.